iHH, an AIoT solution provider for secure private transmission. Arctos dual-way VPN box hardware is designed for travelers with dual-way access and stable connection to the cybersecurity industry. Set each box at 2 locations. The Wi-Fi hotspot from the box can share VPN data to both locations, to your family and smart devices. The box can be used in several industries, such as chain stores. It can be used to combine the surveillance camera and POS system to the box. The data will transmit privately to the headquarters without additional costs from the relay server. iHH, a high-secure, budget transmit solution in the AIoT industry. Security is our expertise. iHH.